only bad part about letting your chickens and ducks just go wherever they want to go is sometimes you got to come outside and sit here for hours. Because I've been noticing a big decline on my eggs. And yes, I still use a mop. I'm still old school. You got to sit out here sometimes for hours trying to find out where they're going to lay the eggs at. So I sat out here and I watched one hen. Sat there, watched her. And look. Oh, there's 3 hens laying in there. There's 3 different color eggs. I hope one. This is where Mama Duck was sitting. I don't know if they smelt where she was or whatnot, but yeah. I'm gonna give her a couple more days, see if she takes this nest. She's a youngster, so I don't know if she's gonna take it. But yeah, that's the only bad part about doing that. God, this pear tree's getting too big to be right there. Yeah. So now I know where they're laying, and I need to paint my pumpkins again. Yeah, that's my pumpkins. Let me see, go this way. Got all kind of stuff going on around here. Go see if I can find some more eggs somewhere. They were laying right in there, and they stopped. But yeah, that's the only bad part about letting them just roam out everywhere they want to go. Oh, there's the ducks. What y'all doing? It's kind of early. It's not even 1 o'clock. I don't even think it's noon. Yeah. Boy, the other day I came out here to go fishing. Oh my Lord, there was a big old snake right there. Yeah, and that snake that was in my room, I'm in my bathroom, man, that scared the crap out of me. I was laughing about it though. But alright, yeah. And then I think I seen a white duck, one of my white ducks was back off in there the other day. That looked pretty scary. So I might try to sit there and watch her, see if I can figure out where she's going. But hey, y'all, have a good day. God bless. Stay safe, stay healthy, and for now, stay home. But no, I think they're lifting that on the 15th, at least for us. But ain't nobody staying home. I don't know about y'all, but there's people all over the place. I mean, they're everywhere. Especially Lowe's. Lowe's stays packed with people. Hey, y'all, bye.